Lemon lime chicken stir fry.
Look, I think we're all looking for healthy recipes with flavor and something that's not boring. This is one of my favorites that I could do on repeat over and over. It's a lemon lime chicken stir fry. The beautiful thing about stir fries, you can choose whatever type of vegetables or ingredients you want to place in them. So what do I have in here so far? Yellow and red onions, some chopped garlic, and hot banana peppers. I'm moving on to both green and red bell peppers as well. I think this is a great combination. It gives me a wide variety of different types of vegetables to have in my stir fry. And certainly choose how you want to chop your vegetables. You want to slice your peppers, you want to dice your peppers. Choose how you want to cook in your own kitchen. Absolutely no right way and no wrong way. For me, it's not going to change the flavor whether I slice or whether I dice. Great thing about stir fries, you can get creative. If I'm at the end of the week and I still have vegetables in my fridge, I just start experimenting by slicing and dicing, tossing them in the pan, and seeing how the flavors turn out. Prime example is right here. My green onions, they're starting to wilt, and I said, you know what? They're going inside this stir fry, and I am not wasting any more food in my kitchen. So, green onions done. I've already got the mushrooms, and I decided I want to get them chopped a little bit finer. So there we go, get those out of the way. And now I've got these little cherry tomatoes. Those as well are starting to get a little bit soft. I said, guess what? They're going in the pan too. And because I have tomatoes, I decided let's chop some cilantro. Cilantro is still fresh, but it adds a little bit more flavor to the stir fry. Now, of course, I need one lime, and I already have a lemon sliced. And we get to the cooking stage, a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and I'm going to start out with my garlic and my onions. Once those are in and they're starting to soften up, the fragrance is fantastic. In go the bell peppers and those banana peppers. Stir them up, and then let's have a little bit of fun, and we'll give them a toss or two. Next up in the pan go those mushrooms and those cherry tomatoes. Forget, we need to season here. Season and flavor are everything. Boom. In addition to the salt, I've added in some pepper, some thyme, and some oregano. Now, you might be wondering, where the heck is the chicken? Well, I start with the chicken, and tonight I'm cooking it in the air fryer. So I'm multitasking. Because the chicken takes the longest, I start cooking with the chicken, and then while I'm prepping my vegetables and cooking my vegetables, the chicken is pretty much done. So now that the chicken is cooked, all I have to do is slice it up and add it into the pan with the vegetables that I've already cooked. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we're going to add in our last few ingredients into this beautiful, delicious chicken stir fry. Also, be so kind as well to smash those like, subscribe, and share buttons so we can keep growing the channel. Okay, there it is, the splash of lime juice, some fresh lemon juice, and finally the chopped cilantro. One final toss, and we're getting ready to eat.
That's delicious.